Welcome to Tools for Working Wood. We are the largest Festool dealer in the metropolitan area. We keep everything in stock for immediate pickup or delivery. We've got tons of tools, every single tool, every single model. Not to mention we have consumables like sandpaper, dominoes, things you don't want to run out. We have a lot more in back. We stock a comprehensive range of hand tools. Some we import from all over the world, and some we make here. Gramercy Tools and Brooklyn Tool and Craft, made, packaged, and finished here. We have a huge array of Festool accessories. Some are extremely popular and necessary. Dominoes in every size. LS130, all the accessories. Vacuum bags for every vacuum. Surfax finishing material. Conturo, glue in every color. Planer accessories. We carry everything. Sandpaper in every shape, size, grit. More sandpaper. Rolled sandpaper. We're open Monday through Friday from 8 to 5, Saturday from 11 to 5. We also ship. Orders of $50 or more get free shipping of Festool. If you give us an order by, say, 3 o'clock-ish or so, we'll have it the next day in the one-day delivery zone, which is the metropolitan area and most of the tri-state area. We're also happy to ship you fast. Thank you. See you soon.